Congratulations on the purchase of your Pavoni Espresso Cappuccino machine. This video will assist you in the operation and maintenance of your machine. With proper care, you can expect up to 20 years or more of use from your Pavoni. All Pavonis are individually assembled in the small province of San Milanese, located outside of Milan, Italy. Your Pavoni is a marvel of engineering, beginning with its solid brass nickel-plated boiler, long life copper element, and lacquer-plated finish. You'll enjoy the pleasure of owning a unique, original work of art. With a production of only 60 units per day, the proper attention can be applied to each machine, assuring the strictest quality control. Now, on to the operation of your Pavoni. We recommend you read the enclosed instruction manual to familiarize yourself with the general operation and parts of your machine. The Pavoni is available in two models. The Europiccola model has a boiler capacity of 20 ounces, capable of making 8 2-ounce cups of espresso. The Professional model has a boiler capacity of 38 ounces, capable of making 16 cups of espresso. Only professional models are equipped with a pressure gauge. Both models are now available in chrome or brass finishes. The latest addition to the Pavoni line is the Romantica series. These models are available in both Europiccola and professional sizes and feature domed tops, solid brass boilers, and wood trim accessories. Your Pavoni machine comes equipped with the following parts: 2 stainless steel coffee filters. Use the smaller filter when making 1 cup of espresso, and the larger filter when making 2 cups of espresso at a time. If you prefer a longer cup of espresso, then you may use the larger filter. The filter handle, a measuring spoon, used to scoop coffee into the filter, a coffee press, used to pack coffee into the filter, a bottom drip basin fits underneath the group, an upper drip tray that fits over the bottom tray. Now on to the operation of your Pavoni machine. The next 4 steps apply to both models. Place your machine on a dry, flat surface close to a convenient outlet. During operation, the Pavoni develops warm spots and hot spots. Therefore, place it out of children's reach. Step 2. Remove the boiler cap and fill the boiler with water until the water level reaches the top of the sight glass. Step 3. Close the boiler cap and the steam knob firmly. Both are closed by turning clockwise. Step 4. Plug in the power cord. The lever must be in the down position. Owners of both models may now switch their machines on. Allow your machine to reach the proper operating temperature. For professional owners, this will be achieved when the pressure gauge shows a reading in the green area. For Europiccola owners, this will be achieved when the bottom green light turns off. While your machine is warming up, you may prepare your coffee. Your coffee should be ground fine with no coarseness. It should pack firmly upon pressing. Experimenting with different types of grinds may be necessary in the beginning until you familiarize yourself with the proper grind required. Select either a 1 or 2 cup coffee filter and insert the filter into the handle. Fill the coffee filter using the enclosed measuring spoon. Apply 1 large scoop of coffee when using the 1 cup filter. Apply 2 level scoops of coffee when using the 2 cup filter. Level off by pressing down. Insert the filter handle into the group, turning the filter handle from right to left. The handle should fit snug. If you encounter difficulty fitting the handle into the machine, remove some coffee and insert again. Your machines should now be at operating temperature. Once at operating temperature, it is necessary to activate the internal pressure stat. Simply open and close the steam knob for a few seconds. The green light will come on, or the pressure gauge will drop. Wait about 30 seconds for the machine to build up pressure again. This procedure is only necessary upon first startup. Your machine is now ready to use. Place your cup under the filter handle. Raise the lever completely. Water is now exiting the boiler and entering the coffee group. The handle should be kept raised until the bottom of the cup is covered, around 15 to 20 seconds, depending on the type of grind used. When the desired amount of coffee has exited, lower the lever to the down position. Since the La Pavoni works on steam pressure, always allow the coffee handle to drip freely any excess coffee into the drip tray for at least 30 seconds before removing it. We will now demonstrate how to froth milk for your cappuccino. Your machines should now be at operating temperature. Your La Pavoni machine is designed to froth milk two ways, via the steam tube or by using the cappuccino automatic attachment. We will first demonstrate frothing by using the steam tube on the professional model. Place the steam tube into the bottom of the cup. Open the steam knob 2 complete turns. Slowly lower the cup as froth rises. Always stay even with the high point of the milk surface. Finish by adding your espresso. Always keep a cloth handy when frothing to clean off the steam tube. Also, open the steam knob for a second to remove any milk that may have settled in the tube. All plated La Pavoni machines come standard with a cappuccino automatic frothing device. To install, first remove the plated steam tube by lifting off. You will notice 2 gaskets on the shaft with some lubrication. Do not clean this off, as it is applied to keep the gaskets from drying out. Slide on the cappuccino automatic frother. Place the rubber hose into a container of milk. Place a cup under the black aerator. Make sure your machine is at operating temperature. Slowly open the steam knob. An adjusting pin allows you to control the density of milk. Raise the pin higher when making lattes, or leave lower for creamier cappuccino. To clean your cappuccino automatic frother, simply place the tube into a container of clean water. Open the steam knob and allow a few ounces to cycle through. Take precautions when removing and installing these devices if your machine has been on for a while, as it may be hot to the touch. Helpful hints. Always make sure your machine is at the proper temperature before using. Never turn on your La Pavoni without first checking to see if there is sufficient water in the boiler. Operating without water may cause mechanical failure. Do not attempt to remove the boiler cap when the machine is on. If you would like to empty or refill the boiler, follow these simple steps. Turn off the machine. Open the steam knob and wait for all the steam to escape. You may now open the boiler knob. Your La Pavoni machine is not designed to remain on for prolonged periods of time. You will enjoy its benefits longer if you keep your operations to under 30 minutes per use. To clean your machine, wait until it cools down, then use a mild solution of soap and water, always wipe dry. Owners of the copper and brass unit follow the same directions. Never use any type of abrasives or copper brass cleaner, as they will damage the lacquer coating on your machine. If you require additional information concerning the operation of your La Pavoni, you may call us at 1-800-927-0277, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This number is also located underneath your machine. Your manual lists additional helpful hints that may answer any other questions you may have. Again, thank you for choosing La Pavoni.